morning. Guys, what is this I'm seeing? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VanessaK7 and I'm back with another video. So basically there's this new trend going about called the fox eye lift, and you know me, these days I'm just interested in trying new things, so I thought let me give this trend a try. So I don't know who started it first. There's rumors that it's Bella Hadid, and then there's rumors it's Sonia Deluxe. I forgot her name, forgive me, I forgot her name, but I don't know who started it, but I want to try it, okay? And for some reason when there's trends going about, yeah, and I look for YouTubers, it's hard for me to find like black YouTubers trying trends and things like that. It's so weird. I mean, of course we have the Jackie Einers and the Jackie Einers, but I can't, it's hard to find that. So I will be trying my best to get into the trends before anyone else does, and just for the black girls, I guess. So basically I'm gonna go in with MORPHE palette. It's full of nice golds and browns, and this look is very neutral, so I'm just gonna go in with this palette. I don't know if this is gonna work, but before we start the video, thank you for tuning in. Hey my day ones, and if you're new to my channel, hi, smash the likes button and the subscribe button. So I'm just like the video, guys, and I get likes, but then I see other YouTubers, like especially gamers, like smash the likes, and I'm just like, I should be doing it that way, but I don't know. Anyway, smash the likes. Cringe. Let's get into it. The eyeshadow is supposed to go up like this, like where your nose is. So where you see this stick is, this is the lift. So I've already done my eyebrows. I know you're supposed to lift your eyebrows a bit more, but I think I've lifted my eyebrows to the best that I can do. So let's see what these YouTubers do, and let's try it. Hopefully it goes well. I'm gonna use this chocolate brown here. This brown here looks really nice. Okay, continue.
I'm gonna switch to a different color. I'm gonna add a cool tone, please, for Makeup Geek. It's a very light kind of taupey color. I'm gonna use this number 18 brush.
I don't want to just be putting eyeshadow in that sort of thing. I want to know the real technique, do you know what I mean? So alright, I think it's just using a bunch of tones to get that fox eye lift aiming for, which is okay, fine. Why is it so hard? This side is perfect though, guys. Look at that, and look at this side. This side's like, I don't know you. So I'm gonna take a darker shade now and just kind of like go in here with it. To be honest, I feel like everyone is just exaggerating this technique a little bit, because I just feel like it's just taking the eyeshadow up. Or is there more to it? Someone give me an insight, because I can't deal with people these days. I don't know. On top of my eyelid, I'm gonna go in with this shade here, because it's nice and light. Makeup's mine, that's what I feel like. That's what I truly feel like. See? I'm just gonna take my powder, basically lift it a bit more the way she's doing it, because it seems to be working for her, so I'm gonna do this. I'm seeing something, guys. What is this I'm seeing? I think I've seen an eye lift now. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but now I see that there's a lift. Whether this is part of the technique or not, it's working. It's doing this look justice. Yeah, definitely. Guys, agree with me, please. Someone agree with me. Part of the technique is to basically take, I think we're going to see something now. We're going to see something now. I'm going to take the same dark shade I used and create like almost like a cat eye, but it's a fox eye in the corner here in my tear duct area. You not seeing that? And the kid, I'm feeling the kid, and keep within that means. Yep. I'm just gonna take away this excess powder here that I put here. Are you guys starting to see something? Because I am a little bit. I like this effect that they've done. So it's basically like doing a wing liner but with eyeshadow. That's what I'm getting from this look. A wing liner but with eyeshadow. That shade and this shade to go in darker. This is like a really dark brown. But it works good. It works good. Instead of using a black, you don't want to go in with something so harsh. You want to go something with like something that's intertwined with the colors you're using. So this is like a dark brown. Some of the eyeshadow colors under her waterline, which I'm also going to do as well because I quite like that effect. Okay, let's go. So I'm just going to go in with this brown here and literally take it right here like this. But I guess it's good to know like these sort of techniques, because when you're doing your eyeshadow you do see a difference when you're doing different techniques. So I'm not too mad in that sense. But I just don't feel like it should be like a technique as such, because it's very like, you know when you over confuse some things, these are one of them techniques that people can be like, oh I don't know how to do that, but it's pretty much simple. Let me go and have a look, guys. I'm going to see if I can find some individuals that I can use that won't hide the look as much. So I will be back. I don't think that gurus should confuse this technique for something more than what it is. I feel like a lot of YouTubers, to carry out this look, they just followed that fox eye shape, but there isn't much to it. This is a technique. Everyone can pretty much do this. I think it's very I don't know how to put it in words, but I don't feel like it's hard to do. I feel like people have been doing it without knowing that it was a technique. On the other hand, I do like what he's done to my eyes. However, I would not pair this fox eye technique with dramatic lashes, because there's no point. I think Bella Hadid has very subtle neutral type of looks, so you see a lot more, and her eyebrow goes like that. Now if my eyebrow went like this, I guess you can do it with this look. You'll see much more of the lifts, if that makes sense. Tell me what you think about this technique in the comment section. Did I nail it? Did you like how it looked like on a black girl? That's all for this video, so stay tuned, press the ding ding to get notified of my latest videos when I post, and I will definitely 100% be back here to see you guys in another video. Bye. Look like a fox to you.